Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump date in TradingView Easy Guide. Open the chart, click the date field, type the desired date, and press enter to jump instantly. Use keyboard shortcuts to speed things up and hold Shift to pan while selecting dates. If the chart is time-locked, check the chart settings and enable date input. This quick method saves time when backtesting or reviewing historical price action. Open the calendar picker from the date field to select a date and avoid typing mistakes, then confirm to jump. If you need a specific view, set the visible range first so the chart centers correctly. For multi-time frame review, combine range adjustments with date jumps to compare sessions quickly. These small steps help you maintain context when analyzing price moves and make backtesting far more efficient and focused. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more quick tips. Quick recommendation: the product seen here is great for keeping your car fresh, and it pairs humorously with spending hours studying charts. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one too. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Learn the keyboard shortcut for the date field to cut clicks and jump faster while you analyze charts. Always confirm the chart time zone so the date you jump to aligns with the exchange session, avoiding off-by-hours confusion. Save templates with your preferred range and time zone to eliminate repetitive setup. These tiny optimizations compound into big time savings when you review many dates during research or backtesting sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.